Up here you can see the tools that allow you to manage the decks that you're working on. The Save button is here, the green arrow. So even though your material is automatically saved, it's a good idea to save your decks periodically and give them names that you can recognize when you're teaching. You might want to put in the name of the class, and maybe the date. Your file will be saved, and you can see any of the files that you've created at any time by clicking on the presentations list, which will bring up a set of names of slides, decks that you've made. Now, if you want to preview your deck at any time, get a look at what it's going to look like as a set of slides, you can click the preview button right next to the save button. This takes a moment to load, but it brings up a view of all the slides in the deck. You can navigate through those slides by clicking in the menu at the bottom or by using the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard. So if we want to go over and see the slide that we just created, you can notice that it's here. That's how you preview your slides. If you want to make changes, you just close the preview and go back and make changes. This is a nonsensical slide. It doesn't really fit here, so I'm gonna delete this. I might want to add another picture that's more appropriate, or I just want to delete the slide altogether. Save again. And when we think the deck is in good shape, we can export it. Export is up here, and when you click export, you will see that the slide deck is saved to a PowerPoint presentation. You can click OK, and depending on the settings on your computer, it will automatically open up a PowerPoint file with that deck in it, or you might have to go and open it from your hard drive. But now we have our deck in PowerPoint, and you can make additional sort of fine edits on your deck in this formatting of images and text. You'll notice here you do have the teacher notes down at the bottom of each slide, so that if you are projecting this from your computer when you're teaching, you can actually use these to guide the discussion with students.